Good morning, all. Today we will start our first unit, in environmental science and sustainability. The first unit is biodiversity and environment, and today we will discussing about the definition, scope, and importance of environment. Environment and biodiversity is already discussed the syllabuses. And what's the use of a beautiful house if you don't have a decent planet to put it on? So this is a question one, which means there is a if we all have a beautiful house, if there not an earth-like planet, where will we put this beautiful house? That is the reason. So this is the thing for the importance of an environment. Environment is one subject that is actually global in nature. For example, so if we do anything in a side of an environment, it will affect all others. Atmosphere has no boundaries, and the pollutants produced at one place can be dispersed. Then and transported to another place. The river water polluted by industrial or municipal discharge at one point would seriously affect the downstream aquatic life. Damage to the forest in a hilly region will have far-reaching effect of not only to the health. So the environment is connected everywhere. It has or the atmosphere has not any boundaries that's related to the. Then if we put a if we make a pollution in any place, it transported to another place, and it's related to if we put a pollutants on a river, it will affect all other places. Everything is damaged. Then environmental studies is very important since it deals with the most important issues like safe and clean drinking water, hygienic living condition, clean and fresh air, fertile land, healthy food, development that is sustainable. So, the definition of environment. Environment is sum total of water, air, and land interrelationships among themselves, and also with a human being, one other living organism, and property. It includes all the water, air, and land, and its interrelationships among themselves, and also with the human beings, other living organism, and property, the living organism, and non-living organism. Everything is collectively known as environment. Then scope of a environment or a biodiversity is natural resources, their conservation and management. Natural resources means this water, air, land, like that. Then ecology is ecology is the study of a ecosystem means it is include biotic and abiotic. Then biodiversity means everything. Then environmental pollution and control, social issues in relation to development and environment, human pollutants, population, and environment. That are the scope of the environmental science and sustainability. Then need for public awareness. What are the need for public awareness? Which means we all the human or all the living organisms are aware about our environment. Like we didn't do any littering the pollutants like polythene, then stubble burning, plastic burning, then air pollution. That's we want to save from that all. We save our environment very properly. And then ecosystem, it's a vast area of so it will discussed later. Then the need for public awareness. Any government at its own level cannot achieve the goals of sustainable development until the public has a participatory role in it. Public participation is possible only when the public is aware about the ecological and environmental issue. Like that, every increment of the vehicle and littering of polythene, then stubble burning, the public has to be educated about the fact that if we are degrading our environment, we are actually harming our own selves. That's it. the ecology and its characteristics, and then like that it will discussed later. Thank you.